An unfortunate fate has been brought to me. A familiar tale which most Subaru owners might be familiar with. It was a normal day, going to my musician friend Tafreshi's house, making some jams. I decided to leave. My car farted a cloud of white smoke. I looked down at my gauges and I noticed that the mileage was 1666 something something. I knew my engine blew. Yes, I got a haircut. Don't ask. So you may be asking, well, Garrett, in your last video you said you'd be interested in maybe swapping engines. So I technically am, but it's still gonna be an NA 2.5. I think that's the smart move. I'm getting a built EJ from Sunwest Performance. Apparently it has forged pistons and everything's fancy and polished to a mirror sheen, so that'll be cool, I guess. So anyway, I'm getting this new engine for this car, and it's basically gonna be as if it's a brand new car. I looked up some extra information about this particular car, and it was built basically 20 years ago. Coming this October, this car will be 20 years old, which means that this engine lasted me 20 years. I'm 22, just turned 22. So, you know, basically this car was built when I was 2. So this car has so far lived a pretty long life, and if I get a brand new engine that's a little bit better than stock, a little bit better than OEM, imagine how many more years it'll run. It'll probably last me my entire life, especially with the way I take care of this car. So we're on our way to go pick up some seats from my friend I met at the Subaru meets. These seats I'm gonna get are from the 2002 WRX, the Bug-Eye. And the cool thing about these seats is it has gray and black, which is the same interior color as my car. Another cool thing is I'm gonna get the air conditioning vent from the 2002 Subaru as well, because it comes with a cup holder that comes out. And you know, it's not really a necessary thing, but I just think it's cool because it's like, you know what? Fuck it, get an extra cup holder. You can stop it now. So, if you may notice, burp, I don't have my new seats in. When I got the seats, they were a little dirty. I think the previous owner said that their cat sleeps on it. So I had to clean it. I had to clean both seats pretty thoroughly. They're still not completely clean, but there's a couple that's minorly damaged on both of them. There's some areas that need to be re-sewn, which I could do myself. However, I think it would be a better idea to get my seats reupholstered. Now, is the damage that bad? Not really. I could put the seats in right now and it'd be fine. But I think it would be better if I just waited until I got them reupholstered. I got some pretty interesting ideas on what I'm gonna do with it. My idea being that I would change the color. You know, I like the look of the blue and black STI, you know, look. And this is that kind of car where you could do something a little flashy with it. Now, I'm not gonna go overboard. The colors I like are pretty tame. So I think what I'm gonna do is maybe choose like an olive green color, because I am also going to rewrap my steering wheel here with like an olive green kind of Alcantara wrap thing. As you can tell, right here. The stupid electrical tape I put up here as like a racing stripe to be funny, and I don't know. It was not a good idea. It has damaged my wheel, which is a bummer because this is, honestly, it was like the highest quality Momo steering wheel for this car that I've seen. So I'm a little bummed that I did something to it, but I guess, you know, you live and learn. All right, so we're here in front of our AC vent, and we are going to take this one off and put in our older one that has a Japanese hazard light button. Here we go. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This button's from Japan, baby. Oh yeah. Check that out. That is sick as hell. Alright. This is me, Garrett641, and we're gonna see what my band Divisionary's reaction is to Dubby. There's the dub sludge. Sludge is going in. Dub sludge. Let's give it a taste test. That's delicioso.
Alright, my name's Ian. I play guitar in Garrett's band. We're gonna try Dub Sludge. That's pretty good. Like, actually, that's pretty good.
Here I am. My name's Sam. I also play guitar for Garrett's band. We're gonna try Dub Sludge. It's pretty good. Dubby.
You're my favorite coin. Want you to dink on my face. Take a doink on my chest. Yeah, yeah.